Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to reinstall app on Android. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next on the future. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So the phone I'm using right now is Oppo, and right now I'm gonna delete my messenger over here. So I just deleted my messenger. Now to reinstall it, I'm just gonna go on Play Store, and once Play Store opens, at the top left corner, click on the three arrow or lines, and then go to My Apps and Game. And then on My Apps and Game, you can just click on Library. So this basically shows all the apps which you have downloaded on your phone up till now. So we need to reinstall Messenger, right? So we need to find Messenger over here. And as you guys can see, Messenger over here, which is right above Microsoft Excel. I'm going to click on Install, and it's pending and it's downloading. So that's basically how you reinstall app on Android. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.